Next, we're going to line our cabinets up, level them, and screw them together. To do that, you'll need a spirit level and an Allen key. I haven't got one with me, so I'm going to turn the legs by hand. So you can just lift the weight off the cabinet very slightly and turn, and you're looking to get them lined up nicely. Felt quite lucky on this one that the middle cabinet is already level. From here, we are going to drill a 4mm hole through one side of one cabinet and use the 30mm screws, which are the longer ones in the pack, to go through one into the other to make them all nice and tight together. I'm going to go through the fireplace unit into the other one, because when the fire is in, it'll hide where my screws are. Generally 4 should be enough, just in each corner. If you have any little clamps like this, they do make life easier, because you can clamp the units together, make sure they're perfectly lined up as you do it. One side done. Four more screws, clamps, one solid unit, all screwed together, all leveled up. So the next thing we're going to want to do is worktop, end panels, and our bottom plinth.